The deadline of the project took place like during mid-years week, and so we had a lot of other assignments going on, and the demands of the project, like the amount of detail you have to put in and the amount of thought that had to go in, we really wanted to take that seriously and really make our project the best that we can be. So this meant that we were submitting the project like a couple hours before the deadline on the day that it was due. But it ended up working out because we made it the best that it could have been. We learned lots of cool science, like that fungi can actually conduct electricity. But I feel like one of the bigger things that I learned was that interdisciplinary collaborations among different fields in science, so like physics and engineering and biology, can lead to really effective technologies that can actually help the planet and change the world. I would say so because I really enjoyed the process of researching and designing an invention, and I've never really gotten the opportunity to do something like this before. So yeah, it would definitely be something that I would want to pursue in college.